Today we went to the Broadway Market and we got candy apples, a nut roll, poppy seed roll, and some sort of like cherry turnover. This apple is chocolate, caramel, and pecans.
Yes, dark chocolate.
Oh, tastes like something. It tastes like something familiar, and I don't know what.
Turtle.
9. 9?
I think it's pretty good.
I was going like 6. This is chocolate and Oreo. Mmm! That's good.
I like the first one better.
I like this one better. 8.
7.
8. Now, the nut roll.
Really taste the almond flavor. Not too nutty.
Now, the poppy seed roll. Definitely a lot of seeds.
It's not, I'm not Polish.
Cherry dessert.
6.
7.
Let's go back to the apple.